Howdy y'all, welcome back. So I wanted to also note there's a bolt that comes right out of here that needs to be replaced into here. Again, you'll need some heat, some PB blaster, and one thing also you're going to need to work on is this bolt that connects back here. As you know, it's going to sit right in here. That bolt turns clockwise as you're facing it this way with your driver's side, because it's kind of confusing on which way you need to turn the bolt. So that's how it does sit. This is the old one. As you can tell, it definitely has seen better days. So it's probably the first time it's been changed, in all honesty. So once again, I did this because of nitrogen oxide was too high in my emissions test. So I did some research and kind of found out that maybe the EGR valve, like I said, you can tell that it's corroded up here, and it probably wasn't doing its job. And it's only 0.3 out, so I'm assuming this will probably fix it. So I'll let you know. I'll follow that up. Original Denso from Toyota manufacturer, I think it was like $270. So it kind of sucks I have to spend that much money on this valve, but keeps it going. Anyway, bye.